Hello and welcome to Freedom Friday. I'm Lynette Barnors, a Rank 11 wealth engineer, and today we are diving into a topic that affects every single one of us. The wealth myth. Why working harder won't make you rich. Now this may sound controversial. After all, we are all raised to believe that the way to get ahead is to study hard, get a job, climb the ladder, work harder, and eventually you'll be financially free. But if you look around you, that story simply doesn't match reality. Let's pause and ask ourselves a simple question. How many people do you know who work really hard? Maybe even harder than anyone else, and yet they are still struggling financially. Think of teachers, nurses, police officers, single parents juggling two jobs. They are not lazy. They are not unmotivated. In fact, they are often the hardest working people in society. So why are they not wealthy? Because trading time for money has a built-in limit. You only have 24 hours a day. And we all have the same 24 hours in a day. Nobody gets more, nobody gets less. Yet, some people use their 24 hours to build wealth, create opportunities, and secure their financial future, while others are simply struggling to get by, working just to cover expenses. The difference isn't luck or talent, it's how you use your time. Those who build wealth understand the power of creating systems and assets that keep working for them, even when they are not actively working. Others remain trapped in the cycle of trading every hour for a fixed paycheck, never getting ahead. The question really is, how do you want to spend your 24 hours? To survive or to create lasting financial freedom? And your salary? It's capped by someone else's decision of what your worth are. That's the trap. Working harder doesn't automatically create wealth. It often just creates burnout. Today we are addressing a topic that shows you that working harder won't make you rich and that it is a myth. And for those who don't know me, I'm Lynette Barnors from Van der Beaupark, South Africa. And for 9.5 years, I'm helping entrepreneurs, business owners and professionals build recurring income online without selling a thing. I show people how to create financial freedom using a hybrid financial platform so that they can live a debt-free, stress-free life and can work on their bucket lists. But I know the moment you hear hybrid financial platform, you immediately think that we are selling financial products. But the reality is that we are contracted out of selling any products. And I say, I love to make money without selling. And that's what we are doing. Type freedom if you are watching live or replay if you are catching this later. I'd love to come and welcome you. And a special welcome to my guests, Belinda as always, and Cheryl and Peter and all those. Thanks for your support. I really appreciate that. I trust that you will enjoy the time with me and get some insightful tips and information that can help you make better decisions about your financial future. But back to our topic, the wealth myth. Why working harder won't make you rich. I learned this lesson myself years ago. I was taught that if I just pushed through, I would get rewarded. But after years of working, I discovered something shocking. Hard work alone doesn't equal wealth. equals exhaustion. And the saddest part, most people spend their whole lives running on this hamster wheel, believing the myth and only realizing too late that they've never got ahead. We see it everywhere. People retiring with too little saved. Professionals working 40 plus years only to depend on a government grant or their family. Families crushed under debt even if both parents are working. That's when it hit me. If I wanted something different, I needed to stop trading time for money. So what's the alternative? It's called recurring income. Here's the difference. With active income, like a job, overtime, freelancing, or selling any stuff, it doesn't matter if it's pills, potions, or any other paraphernalia. You work once and get paid once, not so? Stop working and the money stops. With recurring income, you work once and get paid over and over again. Think about it. Authors put in the work once to write a book, yet they can earn royalties for years to come, even after their estates can continue receiving royalties long after they've passed on. Musicians record a song once, yet the royalties and streaming income can last a lifetime. Even decades after his passing, Elvis Presley, I don't think the young ones know who he is, but I know. But Elvis Presley's estate continues to earn from his music. Investors buy a property once and rental income keeps flowing every month. Recurring income means your efforts today pays you tomorrow, next month, next year. But I don't blame you if you don't know the term of recurring income. After all, it's not something we were taught at school. We were taught how to earn a salary, how to trade our time for money, and maybe how to save a little. Not much, because South Africans are not saving. But never how to build an income that pays us over and over again, long after the initial effort is done. I know this firsthand. I spent years working hard in my career, giving my best, showing up every day, yet I never became wealthy. I worked harder and harder, but the truth is, efforts alone wasn't enough to change my financial future. What I was missing was the knowledge and the opportunity to build an income that didn't stop when I stopped working. Now, most of us don't have the time, the talent, or the money to write a best-selling book, become a famous artist, or buy multiple properties. But the principle is the same. If you build recurring income, you unlock the path to wealth and freedom. I was first introduced to the concept of recurring income back in 1997 while I was still working a regular job as a marketing manager PRO at the school. At the time, I thought it would be easy. I imagined myself getting 10,000 customers as simple as pie. Okay, but in hindsight, it turned out to be the best lesson of my life. It taught me the value of persistence, patience, and the power of building recurring income. I learned that wealth doesn't come overnight, but when you consistently put systems in place that keeps generating income, it compounds over time and becomes a life-changing asset. I have been earning a recurring income since April 1997, and it continues still to this day. Even when the company was sold or circumstances changed, my income kept flowing without interruption. That's 28 years of financial stability, and I can rely on that. But back in 1997 and 1998, both my husband and I were retrenched. We faced difficult reality. Our regular incomes were gone, and the stock market crash in 2008 almost wiped out our entire severance package. But because I had started building recurring income in 1997, we were able to continue supporting ourselves. If I hadn't begun building recurring income back then, our lives would look very different now. My husband and I might have been relying on our children for support instead of enjoying the life we have created for ourselves. What I love most is that I'm in control of my income. I don't answer to a boss, and I'm not limited by someone else's decisions. If I want to grow my earnings, I simply apply myself and work smarter, building systems that keep paying me month after month. This is freedom and peace of mind that recurring income brings. This is where DealPoint comes in. DealPoint, the FASB number is 50318, has designed an innovative system that allows ordinary South Africans to build recurring income without needing huge capital, years of study, luck, or risky speculation. They've taken a proven marketing plan that has been successful for over 21 years and transformed it into a brilliant business model that contracts you out of any selling. I love that because most people hate selling. You are not chasing customers, pushing products, or relying on sales targets. Instead, you are building your own distribution channel, essentially a portfolio of clients that generates recurring income month after month. And here's how it works. Instead of relying on traditional advertising or cold selling, DealPoint partners with major financial service providers such as Santam, Sanlam, Bright, Old Mutual, the whole caboodle. These companies have excellent products, and rather than spending millions on advertising, they simply redirect the marketing budget to reward ordinary people like you and me for sharing the information about the DealPoint Wealth Creation System. Isn't that amazing? Why didn't they think about this sooner? I love it. To participate and earn, every person uses a product themselves. Then the marketing costs included in these products is redirected to pay DealPoint clients. This ensures that the system is fair, transparent, and built on real usage, creating a sustainable recurring income stream for everyone involved. As a DealPoint client called a wealth engineer, your role is simply you share information about the system. You don't sell, you don't pitch, you don't manage complicated portfolios. Every time someone in your distribution channel purchases a paid product, you earn a recurring lead fee of 55 Rand per product, not per person, per product, month after month. Over time, these small recurring payments add up, creating a portfolio of clients that acts as a long-term asset. Think of it like planting a tree. You nurse it until it bears fruit, and it keeps bearing fruit season after season, in our case, month after month. This portfolio is yours to keep, and it belongs to you in perpetuity, providing financial security and freedom for years to come. With DealPoint, ordinary people can achieve extraordinary results, building income streams, growing assets, and gaining control over their financial future, all without taking risk, stress, or guesswork of traditional business or sales. This system creates a long-term asset inside a registered financial services company. A book value that pays you every month, reliably and consistently. Unlike a salary that stops the moment you stop working, this book value belongs to you in perpetuity. It keeps paying you as long as the products remain in place, and it can even become part of your financial legacy. Traditional brokers and financial advisors understand this concept very well because their entire careers are built on creating book values. Ask any broker and they will tell you a book value is a highly sought after asset. In fact, many brokers sell their books for significant amounts when they retire because recurring income streams are valuable, stable, and transferable. The problem is, too often people leave this asset behind. They put in the effort, build something valuable, and then walk away for whatever reason, only to watch the company they've helped grow continue to benefit from their hard work, while they miss out on the ongoing income they could have kept for themselves. With Dewpoint, it's different. Here, the asset you build, your portfolio of clients and distribution channels belong to you in perpetuity. I love the word perpetuity because it means forever. The income you generate continues month after month. Even if you take a break, move on, or step back, you can quit and rejoin again. That's unique in any business. You're not just working for someone else's gain. You are creating a long-term asset that keeps paying you, giving you control, stability, and financial freedom for the long run. You now have the same opportunity to build that kind of asset without needing to qualify as a broker, without selling, and without having to manage complex portfolios yourself. That is the part that is Dewpoint's responsibility. Yours is only to share the information about the Dewpoint Wealth Creation System, and they provide the tools and the training for free. If you make money, so do they. Instead of paying big media houses, Dewpoint redirects the marketing cost back to you and me, their own clients called wealth engineers. And here's the kicker. Every paid product in your distribution channel pays you 55 Rand recurring income month after month. Not once off, not depending on selling. You build it. You build... Sorry. Sorry, guys. You build it once. As long as the product is paid, you keep getting paid. This guy is serious to get hold of me. As you built it once, and as long as the product is paid, you keep getting paid. And the products are designed so that people need them, want them, and will pay them for the rest of their lives. Like funeral cover, life cover, primary health care, etc. People are paying for this every day. Now you can make your money. This is the shift. Instead of chasing more hours or hoping for salary increases, you create a channel that pays you even while you are sleeping, on holiday, or spending time with your family. That's recurring income. I've seen this work not only for myself, for countless of others as well. Fiona, a youngster, earned 45,000 in cash bonuses in 1 month. Shibu earned 55,000 in cash bonuses in 1 month, as well as Jennifer, who earned 30,000 Rand on top of her growing income. In my own team, Tebogang earned 110,000 Rand in her first year. I myself went from battling for rank 3. I was still earning about 5,000 Rand a month while I was battling. And then I shoot up to rank 9 in just 9 months, tripling my income. Within 32 months, I reached rank 9. And just 10 months later, rank 11, where I received a free car worth 250,000 Rand. That's not working harder in traditional sense. That's building smarter, creating income streams that don't stop when you stop. So let's circle back to the myth. Working harder won't make you rich. Building recurring income will. The choice is yours. Keep trading time for money, capped, limited, and exhausting, or start today with a system that allows you to create recurring income month after month. If you are ready to step off the hamster wheel, I want to invite you to connect with me directly. Don't just watch others change their lives. Take the step for yourself. Comment freedom below and I'll send you my free guide, Escape the 9-to-5 Trap, my online business blueprint. Inside, I'll show you exactly how you can start building your own recurring income, just like I did. But before we wrap up, I want to remind you, if you are finding value in these Freedom Friday sessions, make sure to subscribe to my channel, Lynette's Wealth Mastery channel on YouTube. That's where I share weekly insights, tools, and real strategies to help you escape the 9-to-5 trap and build recurring income that gives you freedom. Just click the subscribe button and turn on the bell so that you never miss a session. That way, even if life gets busy, you always have access to practical, step-by-step guidance on your journey to financial independence. But here's more, just like the old TV ad says. Let's talk about the super lucky number 7 incentive. How about getting 7,000 Rand cash this week? For 18 weeks, DewPoint is running a 7,000 cash weekly draw from September 25 to January 26. The first week's winner was Nomsa with 7,000 in her pocket. The next week was Philet with 7,000 in his pocket. Then Zinle got 7,000. And Tuesday, Tabitha earned 7,000. And Tabitha is in my team. Well done, Tabitha. She joined in July, and a month and a bit later, she earned 7,000 Rand cash in the weekly draw. Well, lucky number 7. Amazing. That is the power of using a product that is making you money. You can get the products from any other company, but here, through DewPoint, you are making money. By having your product paid and registering others who also pay, you could earn multiple entries into the week's draw. The best part? While building entries, you are also building a reliable monthly income stream with free training and support. WhatsApp lucky number 7 to 082-783-5661 so that I can send you the full details. Please like, share and love and follow me on my Facebook page. And remember to visit my blog on www.lynettebarnard.com/blogs. I spell my name LINNETTE. BADENHORST.com for more of the same topics. Friends, wealth isn't about working yourself to the bone. It's about creating systems that pay you whether you are working or not. That's what recurring income offers. That's what DewPoint has given me. And that's what I can give you. Thank you for joining me on this Freedom Friday. Remember, the myth has been busted. Working harder won't make you rich, but building recurring income. That's the real path to financial freedom. See you next Friday, same time, same place. This is Lynette Barnard signing off. Bye for now.